What's up guys, it's Mark from Worth It Repairs by Mark, and I wanted to talk today about the right to repair and why it's so important. It's good for the environment. So when you do an Apple screen, iPhone 11, it actually comes up with an error and says the screen's not genuine, even though it's a genuine screen. It doesn't matter if you take it off a whole iPhone 11 and then put the screen on it. It's because the parts are serialized now and every part actually can be noticed. There's a special program called 3U Tools where you can see all the parts in your phone and see the serial number. But with Apple, they made it so you can't program that serial number to the screen, so then this error won't come up. It's on the iPhone 11, also on the iPhone XR, XS, and XS Max. If you replace the battery in those, they actually come up with the same error. And it's mainly just like they're trying to make the repairs go directly to Apple when it monopolizes the repair side of things, and then there's less customer service with those types of people. With the big corporations, they want to preach that they have the customer service, but they really just don't care. I actually work at a place called I Care, and we care, and it's just a nightmare having a customer be upset when it says the screen's not genuine, even though it's a working genuine screen that we put on their phone. And we even have a lifetime warranty where if there's any manufacturer defects like ghost touching or dead pixels or discolorization, we will warranty out the screen for free. But Apple, they want to charge you for the screen replacement anyways. I don't know if they do like a warranty with their screens. I've never used Apple Care or anything, but we live in an area where there isn't an Apple store, so we have mainly just like small mom and pop shop repair shops. And mainly I just wanted to share about why we're fighting for the right to repair, and it's just because we don't want these error messages coming up every time we replace a part. I wish Apple would just listen to the small town repair shops and just allow us to change out the parts without showing some error message to the person that it's not a genuine part, even if it is, and even if it isn't. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed my video. It's just a short little one. It looked like a lot of my review videos seem to get a lot more views. I do guides and stuff. I'm really busy at work, so it's really hard for me to make a guide. But anyways, you guys have a good one. Thank you.